Well, hello folks, Larry here from Larry's Fountain Pens, and today I want to give you my top five pens for the year 2020. I've already done my top three, so it's kind of backwards because last year was a tough year for me when we lost Cubby on Wednesday?
Monday.
I keep saying Wednesday. Monday, that was the 20th of December at 5:15. It just kind of threw me all off balance, off whack. And to be honest with you, this is really tough doing it right now. I hear Cubby coming in my bedroom. So it's still fresh for me. But I'm trying to get back to do what I love to do. So please bear with me, and thank you to all you out there that understand me, that understands my heart and the love for Cubby. And I hope you have that same kind of love for your doggies, cats, whatever they may be. Give them some love. Show them some love, because they're family. They're not just animals, they're part of your family. Right? Right. So, thanks for all the support from all of you guys out there.
Yes, thank you for the comments.
So, let's get through this. It's hard for me to do a review when I bring up Cubby. So, on we go. All right. So, here we go. My top five pens are, of course, the Mont Blanc, the Sgt. Pepper's, the Beetle pen, right here. You know, I like the four mustaches that are on the clip. I like the design from the album. It's got a beautiful 14K gold nib on it. Smooth rider, wet. And it does have a piston filler. I like the weight. I like the feel of it. I like that weight in my hand for me. Most people don't like weight. I like weight or light pens. It doesn't matter. I love fountain pens. But this pen is to die for. Like the Beatles said in one of their songs, it was 20 years ago today, Sgt. Pepper taught his band to play. It was going in and out of style. All right, so, that's a plug, isn't it? So, next one. When I saw it, I had to have it because, yes, I'm a Noodler's fan. I love Noodler's fountain pens. End of story. Nathan made Noodler's affordable. He made pens to tinker with, so y'all can learn from them. And he's done a magnificent job. Let's show some love for Noodler's. This pen came up. And when I saw this at Frank's site, Federalist Pens and Paper, I said, wow, this was for me. Yep, had to have it. So, I've heard some comments from some of the people saying this is a fire hose, too wet. To me, perfect. Wet, smooth, lays down that ink. You'll see that beautiful color in the ink. I like to see how this ink just kind of slushes around in the barrel there. It's got that converter there. Beautiful writer. It's just a super nice writer. Nothing fancy. No bells and whistles. You don't need all that. It's right here. The proof's in the pudding right here under the cap. Right there with this beautiful nib. So yeah, I guess I felt this way too because, you know, I got this pen from Appelboom in the Netherlands. When I saw this, you know, I felt the same way. I'm a big Beetle fan, a big Beetle freak, so I had to have it. So, cool pens. Okay, as I was telling you previously, I saw this pen here. I was searching through Federalist Pens goodies and see what kind of goodies Frank has to offer. Frank from Federalist Pens like a Easter rabbit. He has Easter goodies all over the place. So this is one of the newest editions out from Vanishing Point. I have several others that I have left. I sold off quite a bit of my collection. But this is the newest one that came out, limited edition, called the Mont Blanc. Beautiful fountain pen. Love the texture of this fountain pen. It's higher than your basic Vanishing Point, but it's not your high-end. This is a little over $200, maybe under 300, let's say. But you know what? If you're a Vanishing Point fan, you know where I'm coming from. Well worth the bucks. And this has to be the coolest pen of all. Why? Because it's the action. Click, gone, bam. You need to take some notes, write letters, whatever. You don't have to unscrew your pen, put your cap down, or post it. Just pull it out, click, and get to writing. You're done, click, you're done. Use this. You can use two different converters in this. One holds a Con 40, another one that holds more ink. Or you can use the Pilot exclusive cartridges for this pen. But it's a stunning fountain pen, just stunning. The only complaint I hear for some people is where the clip is. To them, they find it annoying when they write. For me, I've never, ever had that problem. But again, we all are different. Remember that. So, this, love it. Beautiful fountain pen. Gorgeous. Now, here's one of the top 5. The Visconti Crystal Dream. This pen is a dream, for real. I love everything about this fountain pen. I do. It's got everything you can ask for right here. It's got your ink window, piston filler. It's the same as your Visconti Homo Sapien. Same material, the lava. Gorgeous pen. Love that closed mechanism there. Bam and lock and close. Beautiful nib. Visconti finally changed the nibs to in-house. 18K gold nib. This nib, smooth, wet. Delivers. Doesn't skip a beat. It's on target. Higher end, yes. If you can afford it, save up for this pen. It's a pen you're going to treasure for the rest of your life. Why not? It's Visconti, right? Right. So, great job, Visconti. Last but not least, this pen had to come in my top 5. It's all about Conklin. I'm a big Conklin fan. I've got all the Conklin pens. Beautiful. Look at the colors that's in the barrel and the cap and the trim rose gold. Just love all this. It's beautiful, stunning, well-made, thought-of fountain pen. I think Conklin did a great job. It unscrews and it comes with a black nib. Now, people were complaining about nibs. Conklin listened. Conklin delivered. And these are the number 6 Jobo nibs now that Conklin's using. And what's great about Conklin pens, they come with a converter. Beautiful fountain pen. It delivers. This one has a broad nib. And what a nib it is. So that is my top 5 for 2020. And I have to do an honorable mention. Can't get away without doing that, right? Well, this is the pilot Metropolitan that has been around for some time. Come in different colors. I think they're under 25 bucks now. They used to be under 20, I think, at one time. So you can probably find them, I don't know, 22, 24. Well worth the money. Metal pen, lacquered. Just a beautiful writer. I really enjoy the pen. This converter that's with it. I have several of these, believe it or not. This has a medium nib. Then I have some that have fine nibs. But I think I got black, red, orange, white. I forget what else. But honorable mentions is going to go to Pilot Metropolitan. That's going to wrap it up, my friends. So, with that said, thank you everybody for joining me today on Larry's top 5 pens for 2020. I'm sorry I'm late, but everything is just out of whack with me right now. After the loss of Cubby, it just threw everything upside down for me. The only thing I could think of was Cubby. I haven't done a lot of reviews because of my loss. I think, yeah, I had to force myself to come in here and get the top 3 done. Remember, Mr. Announcer? Mm-hmm. We had to get that done, and I think we did a mail call. But that was it since Cubby's passing from Monday, the 28th of December. And to be honest with you, I really had to push myself today to come in here and to do these reviews. No, it's not easy. It's very hard for me. All I can say to all you dog owners out there and cat owners, love your pets like there's no tomorrow. Your doggies and cats or whatever are people too. They want love. They give love unconditionally. They're your friends for life. Your doggies are going to be there, or your cats. When you leave, go somewhere, when you get back, they're going to be right there waiting for you. So, with that said, I'm going to stop now. So be sure to be on the lookout for my top journal for 2020 and my top pen case for 2020. That's going to be a lot of fun. Okay? And again, thank you for all your support. I really mean that. Thank you for all the thoughtful comments, prayers. I do want to bring Cubby out.
Robogato, yes.
Thank you, Robogato. You got him here just in time. This is the Cubbish right here. Yep, this is Cubby. So, Cubby says, be safe to everybody. And a lot of peace and love, Cubby says to everybody. Be safe out there. Wash your hands. Do the distance. Follow the rules. We have a new virus here now. And we've been through a really hard year last year. Ups and downs. So let's hope 2021 is going to be a lot better than 2020. So with that said, please don't text and drive. And Cubby says the same thing. Bye-bye.